might shoot from underground there. Sacks here have got gold sand in it. So you can see this is where they do their operations. And hey, this is the gold sand that they have here. So they obviously stack it once they are done. After they stack it like this, they will then go wash it and then take it through those processes of mercury and what to get the gold. So what happened here, we'll show you outside. There's a hole outside. So they came through, but that hole goes straight down. And I was told by the gentleman that we can literally walk straight in normal walk underground there. So they came in through that hole. They opened here. Then as they showed their heads, they saw the camera. Then they went back. The suspicion is they were targeting this ATM and obviously the meat in the butchery. But they think that they were stopped by the camera. When they saw the camera, then they went back inside. But this was a hole, so they put new concrete here. So this is how the businesses are threatened in Rhodoport and in the city of Johannesburg in general. You must go and scrap it with your people. We come back, there's fat there, we shut down this butcher. You've been done a favor, you are a foreigner, you are doing business that's supposed to be done by South Africans. Somebody did you a favor here, not me. If I was the one here, you wouldn't have opened a butcher here. Shisanyama is for South Africans, not you. You must go open a Shisanyama in Nigeria. Take the number, depot manager. This is the so here they use power. This cable that you see here is connected to a generator far away, close to another hole like this. So they are using